Hello guys, today we'll be playing Jackstone.
Yeah! Okay, show them how it's done. First, you
You set them aside.
no, don't set them aside. You throw them on the in front, and you scatter them on the table. Scatter them on the table. Go. Ready? Scatter. Go. Yes. And then okay, then for example, they're all here. What you gonna do? You get the ball. Only you throw it like that. Throw up in the air. I'll show you. Oh, throw 1, 2, 3, go. No, just watch me. Throw up in the air, catch that, and then like this. Okay.
Okay.
Get one and then catch the ball. 1, 2, 3, go. Throw. No, throw it up. Yes, and again, again. Ready, get set, go. Ready, get set, go. Yeah. Yes. You have to let it bounce. I'll show you how it's done. Ready, get set, go. Show me. I'll show you. Oh, already. For example, I'll do it like, okay, throw it, and then 1, 2. I cannot see. Next, your turn. What's wrong?
I want to see it.
Wait lang. We're not finished yet. Okay, go. We'll do it. You want exhibition? Ready?
Now let's do 3.
3. Okay, go. 3. You have to catch all 3 of them. Ready? Get set. All 3, Michael, where are you na?
How about this tricky?
Michael!
How about a tricky game
What's the tricky game?
on Jackstone?
Okay.
If you set 2 balls, you have to catch 2. Then
You have to catch with 2 hands.
yeah.
Of course you can do that, but Jackstone is playing with 1 hand. Okay, this is the proper one. I'll show you now, okay? Are you ready?
No, I want to play.
Okay, ready, get set. 1, 2, 3,
I
go.
want to play.
1, 2. Make sure you don't touch the other, Hey, you have sipon?
No.
Wash it,